All right, welcome back everybody. It's been really interesting watching oil, and I tell people all the time, don't look at this stuff daily. It's like, look at it weekly, monthly at best, but I mean, it's spiking, it's going over $50, it's back down, but as far as our numbers go, it stays pretty consistent week to week. So price of oil right now, $49.07, rallied at the end of, or last week, and then over $50, came back down to just around $48, and now it's just up slightly from where we were the previous week, which is right around $49 as well. Our Canadian dollar has pushed higher as well, 78.25 versus 77.10 cents US.
Our number of listings in Metro Calgary are up a little bit than they were last week. We're sitting at 6,406 versus 6,344 last week. In Red Deer, we are also up a few listings at 645 versus 635 last week.
As far as the month of inventory in Calgary goes, we're sitting at 3.22 months, which is down just slightly, pretty much flat week to week. Single family homes remain unchanged, but still in a seller's market. Obviously a seller's market being 2.5 to 4 months of inventory. So detached homes are still rocking it, which is fantastic to see. And condos doing better than they were at the start of this year, still just in a buyer's market there at 4.87 months of inventory, obviously bringing down the total overall.
Well, and Lindsey, you were on call this weekend, and it was interesting because a lot of the phone calls you got were people looking at how to price things out or how to accept offers based on the fact that they got an offer and they listed it today.
Yeah.
So it seems like things are pretty hot.
Yeah, it is. And depending on the price range, there's a lot of price range specific stuff. But even the luxury homes, we had more luxury homes sell, than last year and some previous years in the month of May. And watching that means that sellers are getting more realistic. They're starting to come to terms with the fact that it's not worth $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 more than they think it is, for homes over $1 million. And as a result, we're starting to see inventory move.
Right. Awesome. Looking at our surrounding area months of inventory, in addition to our 4 corporate Calgary offices, we have a lot of regional offices, so we like to share what's going on in those areas as well. So everything on screen, you're looking at one of our offices and the agents who work out of that. So stay tuned if you are into that area. But in Okotoks, we're sitting at 2.96 months of inventory. Okotoks is moving. Airdrie, 3.26. Cochrane, 4.72. Strathmore, 5.07. Sundre, 7.90. And Red Deer is at 3.54. And just a really quick note on that, I'm happy that we just put Strathmore in there because we're actually opening a brand new regional office in Strathmore, and the grand opening party for that is going to be next Wednesday. So we're going to be sending out some information, but Audra Reinhardt is going to be the person, I guess, leading that cause and managing that office, so we couldn't have asked for anybody better. So stay tuned for that, and congratulations to our realtors who are going to be operating under that office. Finally, our benchmark price is going to be $439,700.
Awesome.